So hey guys, this is the last video I'm gonna do on naming convention for sponsored product ads, and this one is the naming convention for ASIN targeting campaigns. So it's pretty much the same as before. You're gonna have the product name, a dash, and then you're gonna have the campaign objective, and then you're gonna have dash ASIN. So again, using the iPhone 11 case example, it would be iPhone 11 case dash campaign objective. In the case of an ASIN targeting campaign, could be either an offensive campaign or a defensive campaign. So pretty simple and straightforward. You're gonna have the product name, iPhone 11 case dash offensive dash ASIN. So that is it. Keep it simple and keep it consistent. That's the key idea here. So as always, if you have any questions, comments, leave them below, and I'll talk to you next week. Okay? Have a good weekend.